According to Drive Tesla, Lucid has reported its Q3 2024 financial results, showing positive momentum as it gears up for the launch of its Gravity SUV. The company delivered 2,781 vehicles in the third quarter, a 90.9% increase from the same period last year. Lucid produced 1,805 vehicles during the quarter and reaffirmed its target of 9,000 vehicles for the full year. Financially, Lucid posted $200 million in revenue, slightly ahead of Wall Street's expectations. However, the company reported a net loss of $992 million, up from $630 million in Q3 2023. Lucid's adjusted net loss per share was 28 cents, better than the expected 30-cent loss. In October, Lucid raised $1.75 billion, boosting its liquidity to $5.16 billion, which will help fund its expansion plans and the production of the Gravity SUV. The Gravity SUV is expected to top out at $126,500 in the U.S. Lucid is focusing on cost reductions to improve its financial position as it prepares for the SUV's launch. You are listening to Yuan News.